Getting through an airport can feel overwhelming, especially when your flight is getting closer and every line seems too long. From check-in and security to finding your gate on time, a little preparation can make the entire process faster and much less stressful. With the right steps, you can avoid common delays, move through the airport more smoothly, and reach your gate with confidence. Follow these simple tips to save time, stay organized, and make your airport experience easier from the moment you arrive. Purchase your plane ticket in advance online or through your airline to save time at the airport. This helps you avoid waiting to buy a ticket at the counter. If the airline gives you the option, print your boarding pass or save it on your phone, especially if you are traveling without checked bags. Pack your bags carefully, remembering that most airlines allow one carry-on bag and one smaller personal item on board. Make your luggage easy to identify with a ribbon, tag, or unique color to avoid confusion. For liquids in your carry-on, use containers of 3.4 ounces or less and keep them together in one quart-size zip-top bag. Arrive at the airport 2 to 3 hours before your flight's scheduled departure time so you have enough time to handle each step without feeling rushed. This extra time can help you deal with traffic, long check-in lines, baggage drop-off, and security screening. Arriving early also gives you time to find your gate, use the restroom, buy snacks, or solve any unexpected travel issues before boarding begins. Find your airline's check-in counter by following the signs and airline logos in the departure area. Wait in line until called, keep your ID ready, and check whether your luggage can be carried on or needs to be checked. Remember, most airlines allow one carry-on bag and one smaller personal item. Show your ID to the airline agent when asked. If you are checking luggage, place it on the counter so the agent can tag it and send it to baggage handling. Then collect your boarding pass, unless you already printed it or saved it on your phone. If you checked in online and have no bags to check, you can skip the counter. Go to the security checkpoint for your departure gate and have your boarding pass and ID ready. Place your bags, shoes, jacket, metal items, and electronics on the conveyor belt for screening. Remove your liquids bag and large electronics, such as a laptop or tablet, so they can be scanned separately. If you are unsure what to do, politely ask a security worker for help. Wait for the security agent to tell you when to walk through the scanner. After screening, collect your items from the conveyor belt, put your shoes back on, repack your bag, and leave the checkpoint. You are now in the secure boarding area. Check your boarding pass or the departure monitors to find your gate number. Then follow the signs to your gate. Have a seat in your gate area and wait for boarding to begin. Keep an eye on the departure screens and listen for announcements in case your gate or boarding time changes. It is also helpful to bring fully charged portable chargers, especially if your flight is delayed and no wall outlets are available. Wait for the gate agents to announce boarding and follow their instructions. When you reach the jetway, show your boarding pass so it can be scanned before you board the plane. Find your assigned seat and place your larger carry-on bag in the overhead bin. If you have a smaller bag, purse, or backpack, slide it under the seat in front of you. This keeps the area around your feet clear and makes it easier to sit comfortably during the flight. Relax and enjoy your flight. Once you are seated, your bags are stored, and the plane is ready to depart, sit back and get comfortable. You can listen to music, watch a movie, read, rest, or simply enjoy the journey until you arrive at your destination. Thanks for watching.